to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Queen. I'm a braider, a makeup artist. I do random videos. So I'm sure if you've checked out my other videos, you can tell by now, but I'm trying to post more braid videos these days. So welcome back. If you want to see how I did this beautiful hair, then keep watching. My client is a returning client. This is like her third time doing her hair with me. She always likes to get something quick and easy. So today she wanted the medium large knotless braids, but she wanted something different, like a different color. Usually she would get just black, or once she got like an ombre of 1B30. But today she wanted to get a fall color, and she was going for 350, and she wanted some curls underneath. Now the difference between when you do the braids straight up to the end and when you have curls is just a matter of little time, and curls make a huge and a big difference. So her hair is very long, not like long all the way to her back, but her hair is long, and it looks like it's thick, but it's not all that thick. So I would say the area of her head and the weight of her hair, it's not, I don't think it can withstand a lot of braiding hair being added. So I try to be very careful when I braid her hair. I try not to add too much hair. I just add enough. That is something we all need to consider when doing our client's hair. So for medium large sizes, I like to start with 3 parts on the first line, just so I don't end up with like medium parts. Okay. So if you've watched my other videos, you already noticed that I use various techniques to add my hair when I do knotless braids. Sometimes I add from under, like underhand, sometimes I add like over top, but you just have to know which one works better. I can add with my left, I can add with my right hand. So if you need a tutorial, like a clearer view of how I do it, or you want to see the various techniques, you can also let me know. Or you can just randomly type that on YouTube or check. So there's this lady who does like braid classes. She's really good. Vanity. I think that's her name. Like Vanity. That's her name on YouTube and Instagram, I guess. So yeah, you can check out her videos. And the reason why I really love braid that has coils, it saves you the time of braiding all the way down. That's what I talked about when I spoke about time. It saves you a little minute from braiding all the way down. So what I use to seal when I make the knot on the end of the braid before I curl it, I just use my flat iron to put it on 380 or 330, and then I just seal it. Like I put it like up to 3 times, put it, take it off, put it, take it off, put it, take it off, and then it seals the end. If you put it continuously, it might burn the hair and cut it off at that point totally. So you have to be really, really careful. And I try to tuck in her hair as much as I can because she has dark hair and we're using like a ginger color or copper ginger. So, I didn't want her hair to be showing all over the place. It's not gonna look demure. So yeah, and for each piece, I just put like regular size of pieces. I put like maybe 4 to 5 depending. But as I braid all the way up, I try to add more hair because the length increases, because the top of the head is not going to be the same length as what you started from the bottom. So for this length, she wanted lower back, I think. I think she wanted lower back or waistline. I'm not even sure. Yeah, so for this lane, I decided to use, if my client is really tall, so it depends. If you're doing like mid back, I would suggest you go for 42 inches. By the way, I'm using the Expression Ultra Pre-Stretch Braiding hair. So for mid back, I use 42 inches. Um, for lower back, I use the same 42. For waist length, butt length, I use 42, one pack of 42 and one pack of 52. I don't like using 72 because it's too long, so it tangles really fast. So yeah, that's what I do. I just keep adding the hair. When I braid down, if I see that it's gonna be like too short, I just braid down a little bit more and then I add the hair towards the middle or close to the end. And I mean, it's supposed to have curls, so I can always like shave down some of the hair if it's too much before I put in the curls. And after curling, I can still trim to give it a more uniform finish. So yeah, this is just me doing the braids. I probably would make this video faster at this point, so everything will move really quickly. I hope you all have been doing well. We've been having the hurricane thing around here for a while. I mean, not directly like those people in Florida. I live in South Carolina, but um the Hurricane Helene reached us here not so much, but we had like so many trees fall around my apartment. In my apartment complex, we had like branches fall on people's cars. And right outside my apartment, people had like trees fall on houses, on cars. People were in blackout for like a week. I was very fortunate. I only had blackout in my apartment for like 3 hours and the light came right back. Some people had blackouts for like 2 days, some 24 hours, some 4 days, some people up to a week, until I traveled for a wedding in Texas and came back and I was like, oh, there's light in Pendleton. But yeah, people went through a lot and I saw like so many people lost their lives and a lot was going on. Just put everybody in prayers, man. People are going through it. Um, yeah, someone had told me in my last video when I asked, it was a short actually on YouTube, when I asked like what video you guys would like to see next, and that person was like she would like to see a twist. So I made a post on lock twist, like two strand twist on locks on a guy. I don't know if that was helpful, and I don't know if she found that video, or she wanted like regular twist. But if you're here, if you're seeing this, please comment below, and uh maybe I could like just, I don't know, is the last video before this one. You can just check it out if you're on here listening to me. And I guess I'll just let you guys watch the rest from here on, and then you see what I do with the finishing when I dip it in water and however I do. So yeah, toodles, see you guys, bye bye. Just keep watching, don't go away. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to click the subscribe button to encourage me to keep posting on here. Sometimes it get really tiring when you keep posting and people just ignore, people watch. Sometimes you have up to like 1,000 views and you have 7 likes. You have up to 2K views and you just have 2 comments and 24 like it's really discouraging, and I would really love to keep posting on here for you guys, even if it's 2 people. But please engage with the post. When you see, leave a comment, say something nice, or how you feel about what you're watching. If you have a question, do put it on here. If you have a video request, please also do that. Okay, you can sway your hair left, right. Just sway your hair.
Oh, wait my hair?
Yeah.
Okay, she got me mounting.
Yeah. That's fine. Thank you.